In this tutorial, we will be learning about logical expressions in Python. Logical expressions are a way to make decisions in our code based on certain conditions. We can use them to compare values and determine whether certain statements are true or false. Let's get started. Here we have two variables, x and y. We use the equals operator to compare x and y, which checks if they are equal. Since x is not equal to y, the output is false. Next, we use the exclamation point equals operator to check if x is not equal to y. Since x and y are not equal, the output is true. Let's look at another example. Here we have two new variables, a and b. We use the greater than and less than operators to compare a and b. The greater than operator checks if a is greater than b, which it is, so the output is true. The less than operator checks if a is less than b, which it is not, so the output is false. Let's review at another scenario. In this example, we have two variables, c and d. We use the greater than equals and less than equals operators to check if c is greater than or equal to d, and if c is less than or equal to d. Since c is equal to d, both statements are true. That's it for this tutorial on logical expressions in Python. I hope you found it helpful and that you are now able to use logical expressions in your own code. Thanks for watching.